everyone, I wanted to give you a quick tour of how to create a academic poster size out of a slide so you can create a poster for like the user conference, the Esri user conference, or any other time you need a poster size. So you can see our final version here, but let's walk back how we actually got to this point. All right, so here we are in a new PowerPoint slide. We can see it's our standard size that you're used to. We'll go ahead and to change the size of the slide, which is all we're going to do, is go to our Design tab, go under the Customize group, click on Slide Size, and then go to Custom Slide Size. Now, academic posters come in a couple different sizes. In general, you'll either want it to be 36 by 48, which is pretty much what we used in 110. You can also do a little bit smaller at 24 by 36, but let's do the 48 by 36 for now. It's only one size. You want to make sure. You also want to click on to make sure and to ensure the fit. And you can. I just want a blank slide. So you can see that I turn on the ruler. And you can see the width is now that 48 inches and the height is those 36 inches. Now, we can, if you have something that would be better formatted in a portrait layout, we can do that as well. You can just change to portrait and it'll swap your numbers, or you can enter 36 in as the width and 48 in as the height. And you'll get, click Ensure Fit again, and then you'll get your much larger slide. So do this before you start laying out your poster project. What else? Okay, so once you do this, you can save it and start adding things to your project. So all these things that I've added on are just text boxes. So just adding in a text box and changing the font. You can see some of the guides on here for different font sizes. Make this a little bit bigger for you. But have your titles be at anywhere between 72 and 120 point font. Subtitles 48 to 80. For your section headers, anywhere between 36 and 72. We're at 45 now. Let's bump it up to 72 to see what size that is. And just see how these would all look together. If I made them their largest, 80, I don't think this is at 120 yet. Oops. There we go. Move our body text down, so make that at the 48. And then we can zoom back out. You can start to see what they look like. The other thing, when you're doing your maps in ArcMap, save them as a JPEG or a PNG, so you'll be able just to insert them like you would any other image. So you can go to Pictures, insert a picture from this device or wherever you're saving it from. You can just pull up your map and save it, and it will get added, and then you can place it as you need to. You can add borders, boxes around things, add in a caption if you need it, whatever you need. Now, if you wanted to do this in Google Slides, let me open. So let's open up our Google Slides. You can do the same thing. We can go, I forget how to do it in here, format. Hang on. Okay, it's under format, format options, and it will bring up this pane. And we can go under size and rotation, and we can change things to the width 48 inches, height 36 inches. Oh, wait, I'm changing that little box. Okay, I think I for real found it. Under File, Page Setup, we'll go to Custom, 48 by 36 inches. Let's see what happens. Yep, and you can see we have a much larger slide. So then you would be able to get rid of these and start adding in some text boxes. And changing the size like we did before. And adding in everything in. You can also insert your pictures this way, or your maps this way too. So I'm just going to bring this back up because it has those font sizes. Hopefully you found this interesting and or helpful, and I look forward to seeing your final maps.